and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them free. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like your man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying. Make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down. Putting on a smile.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. All right, honey, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Nadula Hair. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking is their Nadula Short Waterway Bob Wig. It is pre-plucked 4x4 lace closure wig, human hair for women. Okay, so I'm not 100% sure about the length that I have. I only know like what they have available. If I had to guesstimate, to me this is probably about 12 inches, maybe 10, but I'm gonna say about 12 inches. I could be wrong, and I did layer it some and cut a few pieces, but I'm gonna say about 12 inches. So it says product name, Nadula Short Waterway Bob Wig, pre-plucked 4x4 lace closure wig, human hair for women. The cap size is average cap size, so this unit does only come in an average cap size. The lace is Swiss brown lace. The lace size is 4x4. This unit does only come in 150% density. It says hair quality is 100% virgin hair, tangle free, no shedding, soft and bouncy. So let me see what lengths they have available. So this unit is only available in 10, 12, and 14 inches. And in my opinion, I think that I have 12 inches, but honey, it might be 10, I don't know. But I feel like it's definitely giving me 12. I do not think it's giving me 14 whatsoever, but honey, I could be wrong. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I am not sure if that is stretch length or not. With this wig, it did come pre-tweezed in my opinion, but I did decide to tweeze it a little more. Lately, honey, though, Nadula have been coming through with the pre-tweezing, like, girl, okay? But I did decide to tweeze it a little more just because I'm on my tweezing kick. This unit is a 4x4, so it's literally from here to here, okay? So that is the amount of space you have with this unit, like literally from this side to this side, okay? This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, or with adjustable straps. The shedding and tangling, strata packaging, she does none of the things. You may see a little hair on my chest. Ooh, that did not sound right. You may see some hair there, but that is from me cutting, layering the hair. Is from me doing that. Like straight out, it did not do any other things. It's not a whole lot of hair, so I really did not expect her to do any other things. Just to keep the whole buck with you. Okay, so as far as this unit being big head friendly, in my opinion, this unit is big head friendly, but I am an average cap size. I deem a unit to be big head friendly if I have to adjust the straps, and I did have to adjust the straps with this unit, but honey, I only got the head that's on my shoulder, so honey, do with that what you want to do with that. But yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons, then please keep on watching. Alright, honey, so you know I like to start with the cons. And my con is the same as with any the other water wave bob that I did. It's the fact that it's water wave. I can't really get that puffy feel that I want. Although I do kind of feel like this one is giving it more to me than the other one did. So I don't know if it's because I layered this one, but it before the layering, it definitely was giving me that flat, sleek look that, you know, water wave hair does. Now, to me, like I said, this one seems to be drying more on the fuller side, which is not really giving water wave, but they say water wave, so I'm gonna go with what they say. But yeah, it's the same sort of issue. But once I layered it, it did give me more of a fuller appearance. That's just kind of a personal preference. If you're looking for a sleek look, then water wave wigs will give it to you, girl, every time. But if you're not, and you kind of like me and like something that has a little bit more volume, a little more puff, a little more dishevelment, then you know it would be a con for you just like it is for me. So yeah, that is that on that. Okay, so now as far as my pros, honestly, like I said, since I added the layers, the pros are pretty endless with this wig. Now, first I want to say that the hairline is phenomenal in my opinion, and I feel like it's blending nicely. It is brown lace, so it's not blending like it should, and I should have threw that in there with my cons, that would be a con, but you guys hear that all the time, like, come on. But it is brown lace, but I still feel like the hairline looks really nice in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. And I mean, even prior to me tweezing the unit, I still feel like the hairline looked nice. And you know I love a closure, girl. You know I love a closure. Closures are life for me. They are a mom's best friend, okay? If you're looking to slay, without having to spend hours and hours and hours on your hair, then a closure is where it's at, boo, okay? Sometimes you can even get away with a closure without even adhering it whatsoever. So, yeah, I love this unit. I think it is really cute. And like I said, I feel like I like it so much better since I added those layers to it. It just gave it that extra touch that I feel like it needed. And, yeah, I'm not mad at old girl at all, honey. Okay, so, yeah, those are my pros. So, would I recommend this unit? I personally would recommend this wig. Like I said, I feel like it's giving me a different vibe than the other water waves. So, depending on what you're looking for, because if you're looking for a water wave, I am not sure you're going to get that with this. Because like I said, I feel like it's drying more on the side of the type of units that I like. So, it just depends on what you're looking for. But I think she is an entire look, an entire vibe, honey. Like, I am not mad at her. and especially if you're looking for something that's convenient, okay? Especially, and I'm always looking for something that is convenient because your girl, like I said, is lazy, okay? So yeah, I am feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it like I'm feeling it, but I think it is a look. I think it is a vibe. All right, y'all. So let me go ahead and give you guys this full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a look, it's a vibe to me. Let me know down below if it's a look and a vibe to you. I am definitely curious. Sound off down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, Nadula, for sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And your girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not 1 cent. And if you're not already, follow me on all my social media platforms. I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat. And I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Yeah.